Hello, my name is Scott Britton. I'm the president and CEO of MyIntelliSource Incorporated. This is part 2 of our 7-part series, Getting Up and Running Quickly with MyIntelliTask Android. In this section, I will set up the application by subscribing so I can create projects, jobs, and tasks, in addition to being able to add users. If you prefer to read this, I will post a URL at the end of the video so you can download a PDF version of the guide. So let's get started. The first thing you must do in order to set up secondary users and fully use MyIntelliTask is to enter a subscription. If you click the 3 horizontal bars located in the top left-hand corner of the screen, this will open the navigation drawer where you will find a row for subscribing, which you should click. This takes you to the login page for the billing home screen on the MyIntelliSource cloud. Using the same credentials, log in again. Up comes the billing homepage. As you can see, I have no subscriptions in place. You will click the Enter New Subscription button located at the top of the application. Let's talk about subscriptions before I demonstrate entering one. Subscriptions are a monthly license fee based on the number of users you invite that successfully register with MyIntelliSource. Subscriptions are automatically incremented when a user clicks an invitation and registers or logs in, and decremented when either you or the user cancel the account. You may cancel a subscription at any time. Now that you understand subscriptions, select MyIntelliTask as the service you want to subscribe and enter your credit card information. Once you have done both of these things, hit Submit, and if everything goes accordingly, you will get a success message like will be presented in a moment after I enter my information. Before I move on, if you click the back button, you can now see your subscription entered along with the cancel button and the update payment information button. At any time, you may come back to this page and either cancel or update your payment information if you so choose. You have successfully created a subscription to MyIntelliTask. Now click the 3-bar navigation drawer icon and click the home row again, and the next time you open the navigation drawer, the menu options will change. You must invite at least one new user. To set up projects, jobs, and tasks, you must have at least one non-super user account, whether for yourself or another user. So click the Administration Navigation Row option. This brings up the Administration menu, then click the Invitations row. You then arrive at the Unaccepted Invitations page, which, if you had any outstanding invitations, they would be listed here. To create a new invitation, click the Enter New Invitation button. The only thing you need to invite a new user is his or her email address. For demonstration, I will enter an email address that I have access to and then click the Submit button. Once you hit the submit button and hit OK in the acknowledgement, you are forwarded back to the unaccepted invitations list. If you wanted to cancel an invitation before the user accepts it, click on the user row and then click the cancel button. Switching to my email, this is an example of what the user receives when being invited to become a secondary user. All he or she has to do is click the embedded link, either register or log in if already a customer, and the registration process for the new user account is complete. I will click the link and log in as this account has already been created and show an important change in the MyIntelliTask home screen. Now the home screen for MyIntelliTask looks basically the same, but there is an important difference. If I click the drop down in the middle of the screen under the logout button, you will see two entries, one for the user's primary account and a second as a secondary user on your account, and that is how you change accounts in MyIntelliTask. In addition, along with your primary account, you can be a secondary user on an unlimited number of other accounts. Now that we've learned how to invite a new user and how that user accesses your account as a secondary user, in the next section I will cover setting up user permissions and setting your first location. Don't worry, the default permissions for a newly created secondary user account is no access, so you can rest assured knowing no unauthorized access will occur. Thank you for watching part 2 of our series, Getting Up and Running Quickly with MyIntelliTask Android. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions how we can improve our software, please email me at the address listed at the end of the video. I truly appreciate you giving me the time to demonstrate MyIntelliTask. Take care and have a great day.